Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southwest Florida, but in this video we're on mobile, as you guys can see. I'm not on a PC. We'll be testing out Southwest Florida on mobile today and seeing how it is. But yeah, here we go. So right now I'm currently playing on 10 graphics. As you guys see, graphics mode on manual, and it's on 10 graphics. Kind of laggy, not really, but as you guys see, on one graphic it's a bit smoother. And then let's try the middle. It's pretty smooth. But I'll be testing this out on 10 graphics. Tiny bit laggier. But yeah, let's spawn in our cars. Let's spawn in the let's spawn in Tesla Roadster. Here we go. Spawn in the vehicle. Alright, here we go. It looks pretty much the same kind of. So let's head in here, drive, hold, there we go, and this is a whole lot different, as you guys see. Touch to start, there we go, and it's actually changed the color of this thing. There we go, blue, looks real nice. To gear up, gear down, it's up here, as you guys see. Let's gear into, let's go into first gear. Turn to turn, you use these things, as you guys can see. We have buttons to turn, we have hazards right here, we have the horn, there we go, and blinkers is down here near lights. It's kind of hard, not gonna lie, the blinkers are tiny, but here we go, let's go. There we go, let's see how good we could drive here on mobile. I do not play mobile in Southwest Florida at all. I mainly play on PC, so I'm not sure how this is. Here we go, but today we'll be feeling how it feels to drive on mobile. Here we go, let's go fast, see how hard it is to control, or if it's easy, not sure. Let's see. But so far, no lag that much, not really any lag. As you guys seen, there's really no lag, which is pretty good. But here we go. Let's speed up here. Let's try to get a top speed, see if it lags. So far, no lag at all. It's not too smooth, but it's pretty decent. Oops. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's slow down here. We don't want to crash and spin out. Alright, there we go. So, I mean, it's not that hard. Kind of hard on a small phone. It's probably easier on iPad, I think. But here we go. So it's not too hard. Turning on the blinkers is for sure hard. For me at least. The blinkers are just tiny. But yeah, pretty good so far. Not too hard to drive. I do miss the buttons sometimes for some reason. I don't know, I do miss the buttons sometimes. Like when I'm trying to turn, I click like on the side and I don't actually click the button. Miss the button sometimes for some reason, I think. Just because I'm not used to it, but yeah, pretty smooth. Honestly, playing on mobile is pretty smooth. If you have a good phone, you know, it's probably going to be smooth. I have an okay phone here, as you guys see, but it's not too bad. It's for sure not 60 FPS, I think this is like 30 or like 50, but I don't think this is 60 FPS. But it's not too hard playing on phone. For some reason, I think it's less laggy for me on mobile because my computer is not that good, I think. But I am getting a CPU upgrade this Thursday, so expect to see live streams once I get a better CPU. I could probably live stream much easier with no lag. And I'm also going to be using a different editing software, try to make my videos less blurry. For some reason, my video editor right now makes the videos a bit blurry. When I post it, it gets pretty blurry for me, but yeah. Here we go. So let's try to drive on these twisty roads, see how it performs. Here we go. Alright, so we're doing pretty good so far. I think driving on mobile is not that hard, especially if you get used to it. It'll probably be much easier. This is my like second, third time. I have tried it in the past, didn't really like it so much. When I don't have my computer, I play on my phone. It's not that bad, but it's actually changed the time here so we could see better. So I have the oops. So I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20. It's not so laggy. It's pretty good. Based off my opinion, it's pretty good. It doesn't really lag in Southeast Florida here. Here we go. Let's see. Let's actually change cars here. Let's hop out of here. Let's get a. Let's drive the Camaro ZL1 here. There we go. We'll just drive this thing in white. Ooh, let's actually try launch control on the main road here. I think it should be easier controlling a slower car here, like the Camaro here, than the Tesla Roadster. Pretty hard to control that thing. That thing is pretty quick in acceleration and stuff. Oh my gosh, here we go. Let's get onto the main road and let's test out the launch control. Here we go. Alright, let's put this thing in neutral. Let's turn TCS. Yeah, on the bottom here has park, TCS, and ABS. Let's turn TCS off. Let's launch this thing. I'm not sure how you launch this thing. Here we go. Let's try it out. There we go. You can't really launch that good for some reason. Or it's just me. I just cannot launch. But here we go. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's actually drive realistically now, see how it is if we join a roleplay server. I'm not going to use blinkers, that's pretty hard. But here we go, let's test this out. So it's not too bad, as you guys see. We're not driving too recklessly, but not the best driving either, running over curbs and stuff. But if you guys come to a complete stop, then, you know, you could use blinkers. Oops, I accidentally pressed the brake instead of the gas pedal there. But me personally, I just like playing on PC much better. It's just way easier in my opinion to drive and stuff. And yeah, but mobile, it's not that bad, you know. You could, it's playable, obviously. It's honestly not that bad. I think you could join roleplay servers and play with this, cause it's not that bad. I like how Southeast Florida added all these controls so it's easier, not just the normal Roblox thumbstick. But yeah, pretty good. It's not bad at all, honestly. Just a little bit hard to control if it, you know, you don't drive on it often. But this is not too bad. It's pretty good actually. If you can't play on your computer and you have to play on mobile, then you know it's not too bad. It's pretty good, honestly. As you guys see, you can honestly drive pretty realistically here. Let's actually continue driving realistically here, see how this is. If you guys want to come onto a smooth stop, you can just tap the brake pedal here. You can stop pretty smoothly. But here we go. Alright, this is actually not too bad. It's actually pretty fun, honestly. You know, if you keep driving with this, you honestly get better. And it's just much easier once you get the hang of it. It's not that bad once you get the hang of it. Here we go, let's take a turn into ROBUX here. Alright, there we go. Oops, missed the stop sign there. Here we go. Alright, so this is not bad at all, honestly. Testing it out, you know, it's obviously pretty hard if you don't drive regularly on mobile. But once you get the hang of it, it's honestly not that bad. You know, it's not that bad, but it's playable. Obviously, it's really not bad. You could honestly play like this in roleplay servers or just public servers. Would be good, but this is really not bad. You know, you have all your controls. You have TCS, you have ABS-P, you have honk, hazards, blinkers. You could gear up and gear down. You could turn and everything. You honestly, you have all the controls. It's not that bad. It's pretty good. But yeah, I think I would conclude the video here, guys. As you guys see, playing on mobile is not too bad. It's playable. If you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. Just like any other car game on mobile, it's kind of the same with all this GUI and stuff. But yeah, I think that would conclude this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. And yeah, as you guys saw, I brought back the old intro and old outro. Many of you guys wanted it back, so I brought it back for you guys. And yeah, I think that will conclude the video, guys. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love.